You've been told to cut carbs to lose weight. No bread, no pasta, no potatoes. But here's the thing, carbs aren't making you fat, the way you think about them is. Hey, welcome back to Health Changes. If you're trying to lose weight and you've been avoiding carbs like the plague, this video might change the way you think and eat forever. Why do we think carbs make us fat? Somewhere along the way, carbs became public enemy number one. Low carb, no carb, keto, paleo. Every trend seems to blame bread for your belly fat. But the truth is, it's not that simple. People gained weight not because they ate carbs, but because they ate too many calories, often from ultra-processed, high-calorie foods that happen to contain carbs. Carbs are one of the three main macronutrients, alongside fats and protein. Your body breaks them down into glucose, your main energy source. Your brain, it loves glucose. Your muscles during workouts. Same thing. Not all carbs are the same. Good carbs, whole grains, fruits, vegetables. Refined carbs, soda, candy, white bread. The problem isn't carbs, it's too many empty carbs with little fiber or nutrients that spike your blood sugar and crash it later. So why do people lose weight when they cut carbs? Two main reasons. 1. They're eating fewer calories by default. 2. They lose water weight fast. Carbs are stored as glycogen, and for every gram of glycogen, you store about 3 to 4 grams of water. So you drop 5 pounds in a week, but it's not fat. And long term, many people can't sustain it. They feel tired, moody, and give up. Want to know what really causes fat gain? A consistent calorie surplus. Whether that's from carbs, fats, or even too much healthy food. If you eat more than you burn, you gain fat, period. And guess what? You can still lose fat while eating carbs as long as you're in a calorie deficit. The right kind of carbs actually help you, keep you full fiber-rich, boost energy for workouts, prevent binge eating later. Some awesome carbs for fat loss: sweet potatoes, oats, brown rice, quinoa, beans and lentils, fruits like berries, apples, bananas. These aren't bad, they're your weight loss allies. Instead of fearing carbs, focus on eating mostly whole, minimally processed carbs, watching portions, pairing carbs with protein and healthy fats, moving more, especially resistance training. It's not about cutting carbs, it's about choosing better ones and balancing your plate. If this helped shift the way you think about food, hit that like button. And if you've ever struggled with diet myths before, subscribe for more truth bombs. We've got a whole series debunking diet lies, and next up, does eating at night make you fat? You won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching.